Today, we will present to you the unique features of this wonderful detached house, covering an area of 115 square meters, along with the estimated construction cost. To build this plant, you should have an average land size of 450 square meters or more. The exterior of the house draws attention with its simple and classic architectural style. The color palette used on the facade provides a harmonious and contemporary look that blends well with the surroundings. The large veranda incorporated into the design offers the privilege of living in harmony with nature. Upon entering, it provides a warm family atmosphere with 3 bedrooms and 1 living room. The functional design of the living room and kitchen allows you to spend unique moments with your family and guests. In the bedrooms, carefully selected beds and storage spaces offer an efficient use of the space in our home. The budget required for the construction of this house is detailed in the description with the current cost. For all visuals of this plan and application plan measurements, you can visit our link provided in the description. Stay tuned for the latest house models and updated costs by following us.